Eko mamai to 2-minute language lessons, the fun and easy way to teach your children or grandchildren common words and phrases in Spanish, French, German, and Hawaiian while they're young and language learning is easy for them. Today, we'll learn how to say, I'm cold in Hawaiian. In Hawaiian, I'm cold is Anuanu au. Anuanu means cold and au means I. So Anuanu au means I am cold. Say it slowly after me. Anu, anu, au. Now say it a bit faster. Anu, anu, au. To say that you're not cold, you begin with aole, which means no or not. If you've not already learned that word, you can learn it in just 2 minutes by clicking here. You then follow it with the subject, au, as the subject comes before the describer in negative statements. Then you say anuanu to complete what you are not, cold. So I'm cold is anuanu au, and I'm not cold is aole au anuanu. Today's assignment is to say anuanu at least 3 times. If you're putting on a coat, you can announce anuanu au. If you take your coat off, you can say aole au anuanu. Your children will soon begin imitating you to say if they are cold or not. You can also say if you're cold when you step outside. After saying whether you're cold, you could add a'o'oe to mean and you. This will encourage your children to answer in Hawaiian. This can also refresh their knowledge of I meaning yes and a'ole meaning no. If you like interacting with your child or grandchild in multiple languages by playing simple language games with them, please subscribe to my channel. By spending just 2 minutes each day learning one new word in one new language, you'll soon be speaking with your children in Spanish, French, German, and Hawaiian. Mahalo.